What is going on, guys? Aaron here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, this is my 2013 Volkswagen Golf R slammed on BC Racing, extreme low coilovers. I am making 380 horsepower out of this little baby here with 32 PSI. Today, I'm actually at work. This is my lunch break, and we are out here nearby my work. And as you can see, there is basically not shit out here. My buddy once told me, he said, Texas is so flat you can watch your dog run away for 3 days. And literally, like, look at it. Like, those over there, those are buildings. Beyond that, there ain't shit. So it just looks like there's something over there. But yeah, guys, this is my car. And again, we're on a little lunch break. I'm gonna head to Walmart though. HEB isn't close enough, so Walmart will have to do. But I'm gonna go get some lunch from Walmart and maybe some new shoes, because these babies here, they are almost as flat as Texas and very uncomfortable to wear. It is currently 90 degrees on March 1st. This is ridiculous, guys, and it is also insanely humid. So you can hear my poor little radiator just like, please, Papa, I'm hot. I mean, I'm sorry, baby. I need you to warm up though. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see, you're good now. Tonight after work, I have my wife's brake pads here. I thought that she needed brake pads, and we are heading to Dallas this weekend, so I wanted to make sure we changed out her brake pads. But after pulling off her wheel, they were mint, front and rear. So we have plenty of time left on those pads, so I'm going to go ahead and return those, because $60 that I didn't need, I might as well get my money back and put that, you know, somewhere else. Because it's so freaking humid today, my exhaust sounds heavenly. That's really a cool view. It sucks that it's so humid. Actually, there's a guy on a horse way out there. You can barely see him, but yeah, he's on a horse. But yeah, it's like so humid. That's why you can't really see out there. You have a view for miles and miles and miles, but you can't tell. Because of how humid it is, I have lots of backfire out of my car. Yeah, thanks to the humidity, it just sounds really, really nice. But I have some updates for you regarding the Miata, so we'll cover that tonight when I get home. And that was a weird looking bird. I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah, we have some Miata news. I have a few little projects coming up on that, and a really cool announcement, but that'll be coming a little bit later. But I got a smoking deal on something. So yeah, we will update you as that comes up. But let's get this lunch break on the way. This little road right here is actually like really horrible, but over here on the left, see, it's coming up. Gotta make sure I'm avoiding all this. We have an automotive shop right there, Diesel Tech, but then next to it, right over here, we have Lethal Performance, and I need to look it up on Google and kind of see what they're all about. But there is always some badass Corvette parked in front of there, so I need to look them up and see kind of what they're putting out of that shop. But there's always some cool badass car parked in front of it. Sorry for the momentary strange view here, but I can't send it and hold it at the same time because I have a manual.
Moments later.
Alright, guys, and we are at Walmart. But real quick, stick around to the end of the video because I have a really, really dope announcement to make for you guys. I haven't really talked about it publicly, but I probably should, because one, it's really dope, and then two, it'll give me a chance to kind of meet some of you guys if you'll be there. So yeah, give me just till the end of the video. I promise the announcement is dope. It's not just something cringe like, oh, I don't even know. Oh, guys, I'm plasti dipping my wheels. No, it's like actually something cool. So give me till the end of the video. I promise this announcement is dope. But I parked out here in the middle of nowhere. Well, not nowhere, but off on the side of the lot all by myself. So let's see who ends up parked right next to me when I come out. You know how it is. God. We're gonna get some of that Walmart drip. Might get a shirt too, because my shirt's kind of small. Oh, yo. Probably think of these, honestly. Well, these ones, because I'm a 12, but I mean, those aren't too bad. They're for work, so I don't want to look like a goof, but I also, you know, I don't want to spend $150 on a pair of shoes that I'm just gonna work in. If these didn't have the camo, they'd be kind of cool. And those will get wrecked. Can't do white for sure. Those will just destroyed. I'm thinking this is probably... Oh, that's kind of dope. This is probably the move, honestly. And would you look at that? Nobody parked next to me. What do you know? Ugh. So there's one of the little projects I have for the Miata in that tube there. But my lunch break is definitely over. It's like I'm trying to grow up and grow out of wearing the basketball shorts. But the problem is I have like really long legs and I hate when my shorts aren't long enough. And those are the only damn shorts I can find that are like not like crazy above the knee. Like, I don't know why it's so hard. And I don't want to wear like cargo shorts. I'm not in construction, you know? So I'll probably have to go online and try to find some shorts that actually look decent and fit well. Because I did get a pair of basketball shorts because in Dallas, if it's hot here, it's going to be even more humid in Dallas. So it's so humid, it makes the pop so much nicer. All right, we're back at work. Definitely have to leave the windows cracked. We'll leave the little sunroof open a bit too. But yeah, let's get the rest of this shift over with. I've only got like 4 more hours. Only. Yeah, let's get this shift over with and then we will continue on with the video. So see you guys in a few hours.
Later that day.
All right, so like I said, we're officially off of work. And time to go return these brake pads that we didn't need. So luckily, the O'Reilly's is literally just around the corner, but I work right across from the distribution center, and so they always have the parts I need, like always. So it's really badass. But cold start. It always sounds so good. I guess I don't need that. So I used OBD11 and I actually disabled the little beep that happens when you don't buckle your seatbelts. So don't tell the police, but you can get away with driving around without the seatbelt at any speed and it won't beep. But let's get on over to the O'Reilly's. It's almost 9 o'clock at night and it's still 80 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and let them pass because they are hauling ass. I gotta go real slow because right over there's like a hella dip in the road, and if I don't, I scrape my front bumper big time. Dip is actually right here. You can't even see it until you're on it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's go return them real quick. Alrighty guys, and we are home, sweet home. So let's get this thing parked here real quick, and then I'm actually going to walk around the building over here because I like to check on the Miata because is actually parked behind our apartment building over there. I'll tell you why here in just a second. So you probably saw from when I pulled in, but that is in fact a box of H&R lowering springs. And then there's the wrap that I picked up earlier from the post office, so it's a little bit of the extra wrap, so I can finish the trunk on the Miata. But let's go take a look at the Miata real quick, and we'll just take a little quick walk around here. As promised, I do have an announcement for you, and I'm not just waving that in front of you. I actually do have an announcement, but we'll get to that here in just a minute. But first, the Miata's parked on the other side of our apartment building because it's not running, right? It's misfiring, and I like my Golf more. So I wanted the Golf to stay nice. So the Golf is getting the garage. The Miata, until I actually have the parts, which hopefully will come in by the end of this week, they should come in. Man, it's dark. You can hardly see me. Excuse me. The last parts I need for the Miata to get it up and running should be here by the end of the week. But my coworker, who actually also lives here, actually lives in this little corner back here as well, and her car was stolen. So now that I have the Miata parked over here, I like to just come over here and check on it and just make sure that it's still here. But it's still here, and it's still got 1, 2, 3 windows, and nobody's cut into the roof, so we are good. Also, these Walmart shoes are actually kind of sick. Kind of dope, actually. Filming this on March 1st. I'm gonna try to have it uploaded by tomorrow, so March 2nd, but on March 4th, at Urban Drift in Dallas, I was invited to come out and film a cinematic for the Clean Culture and Evan Shanks show there at the Urban Drift Park in Dallas. But yeah, guys, like I said, I was invited to come out and film that show, so my wife and my crew and I will be out there on the 4th. So if any of you guys are gonna be there, be a real cool time to meet some of you guys. If you watch my channel or if I happen to know you, be real awesome. And I'm super excited. It is not the only show that I was invited to come out and film for. One of the co-organizers of Clean Culture has tickets for another show, and I will kind of give you more information as that show comes up. So I will be at least one more. I know Clean Culture has 3 shows in Texas this year. Again, I will announce the other show as we get a little bit closer, but guys, this is so awesome. Moving to Texas has been great, and even though it's super humid and hot already, it's supposed to still be winter, and it's 90 degrees out here. Like, I'm sweating now just talking to you guys. So the weather here's kind of whack, and there's no mountains to go cruise in, but Texas has been a really, really good opportunity for my channel and my brand, and this is a huge moment for my brand. So this is really, really awesome. I have a new camera battery ordered, so I can have an extra battery so I can film as much as I can. I'm gonna try to get a vlog, so I'll probably have my wife filming me with the GoPro so I can get some vlog content as well. Yeah, this is big moves. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Drop a like on this video. Thank you. Drink enough water. It's hot, and I'll see you next time.